Say Ozzy. Big mouth.
Tingnan po.
Ayan, good job.
Good job, good job. Yes, it's okay. Yes, I'll pull a little. Okay. One more na lang. Very good. Very good. Brush na lang. Brush na lang.
Wow, good job, Z. Good job.
Good job. Okay, can we use this? Okay pa. Wow. It's right? Yay. It's okay. It's okay.
Nakikilit yata siya, Dok. Wow, clean ng teeth ng baby.
Other side. Oh, no dila. Baklang dila. Baklang. Baklang.
Almost done.
It's okay. Dito.
Big mouth.
Open lang.
Like that. Yan, para makita ni Tita Dok ang ipin.
Open lang.
Big mouth.
Very good. Open lang.